How to contact the GoCard California customer support. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In order to reach the GoCard California customer support, you can use the following methods. First of all, visit the official GoCard California website to access the Contact Us or Support option or a query submission form. Find the customer service phone number on their website or the related documents to directly contact their customer team. Look for an email address on their website or documents to send a detailed message, and also check if the GoCard California has accounts on the platforms like the Twitter or Facebook for the customer support through the direct messages. If available, use the support feature in the GoCard California mobile app to submit questions or problems. Visit the physical locations where you can buy or reload your GoCard to speak with the customer service representatives. For additional mail, find the customer inquiry address on their website or the documents. When contacting the customer support, provide clear and detailed information to help them assist you effectively. You can contact the GoCard California customer support for the assistance. So if you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.